The silence was deep. Dreams lay in ruins, too broken to keep. But dawn whispered softly, you're not alone. In cracks of the night, a new light had grown. The stars didn't vanish, they just hid from view. Waiting for hearts to believe they were true. Each tear that I shed carved rivers so wide, but Emmanuel walked right there by my side. Hope is the ember that won't let me fall, a whisper that rises above every wall. It's not just a word, it's the breath that I take, the courage to bear, the strength not to break. When silence surrounds and the night feels too long, hope hums beneath it, a quiet, strong song. It's not in the answers, but how we believe in Emmanuel's promise. We learn to receive. Now I see clearly, though storms may still rise. Hope paints its colors across darkest skies.